Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing anything between your finger and the glass. Take off the case and any screen protector, then power the phone down. Once done, wipe the display with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl on stubborn grime so the touch sensor isn't fooled by residue. Make sure there's no visible liquid, debris, or deep cracks. These change how capacitive sensors register touch. If the screen is cracked, note that cleaning only helps some faults. Boot into safe mode or the device diagnostics to isolate software interference. This disables third-party apps so you can test touch behavior. You'll then update the OS and any drivers because firmware fixes often restore sensor responsiveness. If a calibration or touch sensitivity option exists, run it now and follow prompts. It aligns the digitizer mapping with the display. Once complete, test multi-touch and edge inputs, and make sure gestures and typing respond consistently across the screen. If software steps fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software issues. This often restores correct behavior. When physical repair is needed, open the device carefully, reseat the display and digitizer connectors, and inspect for corrosion or bent pins. Small connector issues frequently cause dead zones. If damage persists, replace the digitizer or display assembly. Troubleshooting tip: test the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.